Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. If you are class 6 at DAV Public School, Cuttack and preparing for your 2025 annual exam, this is for you. Today we will solve mock test 13 with the most important math question from different chapter. So take your pen and paper and let's get started. First, question number 1. Arun on rupees 3,90,000 per year. Okay, find his earning for 25 weeks. So how to solve? Now we know, first of all we convert 1 year how many weeks? Now 52 weeks. Yes or no? 1 year is equal to 52 weeks. Means Arun on in 52 weeks, that is 3,90,000. Yes or no? So we can write solution. Arun earns in 52 weeks is equal to 3,90,000. Now we can find Arun earns in 1 week is equal to 3,940 divided by 52. Okay, now cancel. 13 3 ja, 13 4 ja. Now 4 7 ja, 28, 4 5 ja, 20, 0 0 means equal to rupees 7,500 rupees. Now we find 25 weeks. So write down Arun earns in 25 weeks is equal to 7,500 into 25. Now multiply 75 into 25. 5 5 ja 25, 7 35 2 37, 150 5 7 8 1. So answer is 187500 rupees. Therefore Arun on in 25 weeks is 1,87,500. Now next, question number 2. Indicate using the integer. Okay, so BC means minus, AD means plus. So we can write minus 200. Now profit means plus, we can write plus 90. Okay, now the tally mark. Okay, this is 5, this is also 5. So 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1, that is 11 article. Now, the numerical coefficient in the term minus x square y. Numerical coefficient means numerical value with sign, that is minus 1. Answer is minus 1. Next question. If the area of the square is given, okay, so write down area of square equal to 64 square meter. Now we can write area of the square is side into side is equal to 64 square centimeter. Now we can write side into side is equal to 8 into 8. Yes or no? Now therefore side equal to, one side is 8, another side is 8. That's why side equal to 8 meter. Answer. But we find, yes, find the side of the square. So therefore length of the each side is 8 meter. Next question. If the circumference of the circle is 48, means circumference C is given, that is 48 centimeter. Diameter is given, that is 7 centimeter. find the perimeter of the semicircle. So this is circle, semicircle. This is center. This is AB diameter, and the diameter is 7 means total is 7. This from this to this equal to 7 centimeter, and the circumference means total. So total circle circumference is 48 means this part from A to B, this part is 48 by 2. Yes or no? Because total is 48. So half means 48 by 2. Now we can write perimeter of semicircle. Tell me. This is perimeter means surrounding or boundary of the figure. So AB, that is diameter plus circumference by 2. So we can write circumference by 2 plus diameter. Now 48 by 2 plus 7. 24 plus 7, that is 31 centimeter. Answer. Next question. Rahul bought 6 dozen banana at rupees 25 per dozen. So we can write CP, bought means CP. So CP of 1 dozen banana equal to rupees 25. We can find CP of 6 dozen, that is 6 into 25 equal to 150 rupees. Similarly, we can write SP of 1 dozen banana equal to how much? Rupees 30. So find SP of 6 dozen banana equal to 30 into 6, that is 6 3 is 18. So 180 rupees. Now tell me profit or loss. SP is greater than CP means profit. So write down profit equal to SP minus CP. 180 minus 150, that is 30 rupees. Now find the profit percent. So profit percentage equal to profit by CP into 100 percentage sign. Now put the value, that is 30 divided by 150 into 100. 10 cancel. 3 or 15, 2 ja 30, 2 10 ja 20, that is 20%. Coming to next question. Solve. This is linear equation. How to solve? Now 1 by 2 p plus 3, if we multiply 2 then it will cancel. Yes or no? Equal to 8 multiply 2. Both sides 2 will be multiplied, then it will be cancel left side. Now the remaining is p plus 3 equal to 16. Again p plus 3 minus 3, then 3 and minus 3 will be cancelled. So 16 minus 3. So p equal to 13. Answer. All of you understand? If you want to download the PDF, then you can join my WhatsApp or Telegram group. Next question number 9. What is the perimeter of the square whose area is given? Okay. Write down area equal to 225 centimeter square. Now we can write side into side in place area equal to 225. We can write 15 centimeter into 15 centimeter, because when we multiply 15 with 15 is equal to 225. That's why we write in place 225, that is 15 into 15. Now we can say that side equal to 15 centimeter. Again find the perimeter. So perimeter of square equal to formula is 4 into side, 4 into 15, that is 60 centimeter. Answer. Next question. Find the value. And the last question. How to solve? Now we know that minus to the power odd, that is minus to the power even is equal to plus, and 1 to the power any number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 100, 1000, any number is equal to 1. Similarly, we can write minus power odd, that is minus 3 power 3, that is 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, into minus power even, that is plus 5 power 2, that is 25, into 16, into minus power odd, that is minus 1, minus minus plus 25 4 ja 100, again 4 into 27, 28, 10, that is 10800. Yes or no? This is the answer. So that's all for today. I hope this session was helpful for your exam preparation. Keep practicing and solving more questions. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Sanam Tutor for more study session. See you in the next video. All the best for your exam. Take care.